Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing from the fourth question of the exercise 6.5. Before starting exercise 6.5, you need to thorough with the Pythagoras theorem and the converse of Pythagoras theorem because the problems of this exercise are based on those theorems. So let's start. Hey guys, welcome back. Before starting the problems, I would like to inform you that we have started online tuition classes and the batches have already started. The benefit of online tuition classes is that you can study or attend tuition by staying at your home itself, and also social distancing is maintained. For the details regarding online tuition classes, you can mail me at my mail ID or you can DM me in my Instagram. So we shall start the today's session. The fourth question says ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angled at C. Prove that AB square is equal to 2AC square. So first we need to draw an isosceles triangle ABC, right angled at C. So this is the right angle, so I'll name this as C and the remaining as A and B. Isosceles triangle means the two sides will be equal, so I'll tell this is equal to this. Now we'll write the given part. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, that is AC is equal to BC. To prove AB square is equal to 2AC square. Proof. We know triangle ABC is a right triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, can I tell AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square? That is by Pythagoras theorem. Now we know AC is equal to BC. So in place of BC, can I substitute AC? So AB square is equal to AC square plus AC square. That is, we substituted AC is equal to BC, which is given. Now AB square is equal to AC square plus AC square is equal to 2AC square. So we got the two proof, that is AB square is equal to 2AC square, hence proved. The fifth question says ABC is an isosceles triangle with AC is equal to BC, and if AB square is equal to 2AC square, prove that triangle ABC is a right triangle. So first we need to draw an isosceles triangle. They gave AC is equal to BC. We'll write the given part. Triangle ABC is isosceles triangle, that is AC is equal to BC, and also they gave AB square is equal to 2AC square. Now to prove is triangle ABC is a right triangle. That is, I need to prove angle C is equal to 90 degree. Proof. First take the given part, that is AB square is equal to 2AC square. Now can I split this AC square as AC square plus AC square? AB square. So now in place of AC, can I substitute BC, which is from the given? So AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. That is AC is equal to BC given. Now when you see in the triangle, you see AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. That is, by converse of Pythagoras theorem, the converse of Pythagoras theorem says The square of one side is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. In this case, angle opposite to the AB is angle C. So I can tell angle C is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ABC is a right triangle. The sixth question says, ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find each of its altitudes. So first we'll draw the equilateral triangle. Let this be A, B, C, and we'll draw an altitude from point A. So that is, let this be AD, and they have given the sides of the equilateral triangle is 2A, 2A, and this whole is 2A. So we know AD is an altitude. This bisects BC into two equal parts. So it bisects BC. Can I tell this BD is A and CD is also A because they both are equal. So A plus A gives you total 2A. So BD is equal to CD is equal to A. Now we know triangle ADB is a right triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, I can tell AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Now substituting the value of AB, that is 2A the whole square is equal to AD we need to find. So AD square plus BD is A. So A square. So 2A the whole square is equal to 4A square is equal to AD square plus A square. So AD square is equal to 4A square minus A square. This plus A square I am taking to that side. So minus A square. So AD is equal to 3A square, which is nothing but AD is equal to root of 3A square. So AD is equal to root 3 is nothing but root 3 only, and A square root is A. Square root and square gets cancelled. So we need to find the altitude from the point B also and from the point C also. So, but the given triangle is an equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, all the altitudes are equal. So we can tell in an equilateral triangle, all altitudes are equal. So can I tell length of each altitude is equal to root 3a. So we found out the length of each altitude, it is root 3a. So the sixth question completes here. In this video, we did fourth, fifth and the sixth question. In the next video, I'll be doing the remaining question of this exercise. Do practice all the sums. I hope you liked the video. Do press subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get the notification of my videos, and share this with your friends and spread the knowledge. Thank you. Jai Hind.